Alright guys, welcome back to another video. Today we have Boosted Motorsports, John and Jonathan. Look at, they're vlogging too. This is the first Hellcat Swap Dodge Dakota in the world right here, 1999. Super crazy. We got little brother coming with us. We're heading out to Origin's Irwindale Speedway right now.
Give us the Vepper.
Huh?
Give us the Vepper.
The Vepper? What is that? I never heard of that. Alright guys, so we got John and John right in front of us, and they are rowing the boat. Well, the little boat that could in front of me. Oh, that's not bad. He's saying his hood is like latching up and down. It's not bad.
Yes, it is.
It's not that bad. It's not that bad. It's not that bad, guys. Right about to show up to Irwindale right now. We just met up with Sam Godley. He's right behind us. You can't really see him in the mirror. But we're about to pull into Irwindale right now for a rolling time. It's 102 degrees at almost 3 o'clock. Guys, check out how much attention we just pulled up. How much attention that John's truck is getting already.
This guy put a fucking Hellcat interior and motor in fucking Dakota.
You do fabrication too, or?
I give you props, bro.
Alright, where did you bring us?
We're at Irwindale Speedway today, guys.
See this Ultimate's about to bounce, look.
Alright guys, so we reparked over here in the VIP section. And we have John. The interior is John's here. We got Sam Godley in the house. First of its kind, first ever completed. I haven't really done a walk around of this car, but check it out. Even the interior swapped to be a Charger. The full swap came out of the 2019 Dodge Charger. Huh? You're gonna swing the cat? I'm gonna swing. If you see the tires, they're bald. They're done. They're done. Alright guys, we're gonna go ahead and explore the rest of the event right now. Burnout pit over there. They're gonna have racing going on over there. We're gonna head over to the main stage. Look at that. Guys, check out this clean built RX-7. Look at the size of that turbo. Got an R8 on bags. Alright guys, so if you guys haven't seen it on the channel before, this is one of my old friend's RX-7s right here. It used to be his, and it was sold a couple more times and found by Sam. I will link his IG down below as well. And it makes about 450 horsepower. It's E85, and it's probably one of the coolest RX-7s out there. It was from the Fast and Furious movie. A lot of work went into this car, so you guys need to check out the build. Right now we're coming up on Bro's Demon, watching Salon beat him here at Irwindale before. Check out these Evos next to each other, guys. Insane. Guys, I think this is a full carbon fiber. It is. Look at this. It is fully done in forged carbon fiber. Guys, check out this clean NSX. Guys, check out the color on this Ferrari. I love this license plate. Chris hooked it up, guys. Origins hoodie. Hell yeah. And the camo, brand new one, stitched. Super sick. Go grab your merch right now. Alright guys, right now we're heading over to the Burnout box. We're gonna go watch some cool cars drift.
Absolute senders out here.
out. Sam's gonna come drift for us right now. So that's what we got going on. We gotta fucking get it going.
That famous guy Ryan.
Oh my God, we got Sam in the house.
Oh, you're gonna bring it out?
He's gonna swing it. Probably the first supercharged car tonight. This guy loves to swing, baby. He loves to swing.
You're going out?
Just a little bit. You better bring that ass over here, man. You know everybody wants to see that.
Hey, you got those fucking Wang Chung tires though.
Wang Chun! Wang Chun tires.
He's gonna slide. 80 bucks a piece.
80 bucks a piece.
Once again, we do the same thing.
If I had 80 bucks a piece, I'd go.
Thursday Night Thunder. It's only $20 to race your car out here in the burnout box.
Maybe? Just a little bit. Jeep, guys. It's a Jeep. All right, guys. We got
that's what I
the
like
Miata.
to hear,
The
guys.
Miata's
You know,
on fire,
on
guys.
these staging lanes right now, we got a nice variety of some pretty sweet cars lined up.
Guys, check it out. Look at the green color on this Cullinan. Holy crap. John, we're 4 hours in and you are getting so much like love over here. I don't think you realized it.
I'm exhausted.
You know how many people come by and like their faces are just
My guy.
later, guys.
Man, stay safe, bro. I'll see you soon.
See you soon, bro. Go follow Godly on Instagram. So you'll find out who he is. If you guys don't know this guy's like TikTok famous. or
Yeah,
something.
there we go. A little
Yeah.
bit mildly
8
for
and
the
13,
racing.
20 in the
this
house.
is Ryan Bishop. This is the guy who did that.
Have you seen the interior?
No, not yet.
Check out the
Is it-
interior.
is it
I want to
totally
see your
swapped?
reaction firsthand.
Oh my god! Holy! This looks exactly like the Hellcat that we own. Like, this is
Exactly.
exactly.
It's a fully swapped Charger. It's from a 19 Charger, straight in.
Who's the legend who did this?
Yep. Check out his channel, Boosted Motorsports on YouTube.
Okay, Boosted Motorsports, guys, go follow him. That's badass.
From the northeast on you.
Oh, shit.
What's good?
No way. All the way from Temecula.
I heard that voice. I heard that voice. I was
What's
like,
the
hold up.
fucking odds, bro?
That sounds like
This
Robert.
might actually... Oh, shit.
Oh my god.
Supra
Holy
Holy
is a
shit,
240?
guys. Yes, sir.
Hey, get the fuck out of here. Look at the length on that antenna, guys. Look at that.
Time! That is time! Not bad!
Right now they're moving all of the cars in a line. All the cars that did a two-step. It's gonna be so loud right now. The Supra won the competition. You got all kinds of cars that are gonna be in this two-step right now. There's how many cars is that? Like 12? 12 cars.
It's gonna be fucking wicked.
It's gonna be the loudest thing you guys ever heard right now. Setting I've ever been in my life. This is the most insane show I've ever been to ever that's been organized. It's to say everybody is two-stepping right now. It is nuts, guys. See you right there. Three guys. Two at 130.
What was it, 490?
7 at 4.9. I hope you guys are enjoying this show as much as I am. We haven't watched much racing today, only because so much is going on. Kind of want to wrap things up right here. Right now we're waiting for the judging of the competition, but this is probably the best show I've been to in a very long time. I hope they do more like this. They have racing, they have two-step competition, they have drifting. It has been such a cool night. Actually, shout out to Chris of Origins. You guys put on a great show tonight. The best meets probably in the world. I hope everybody else enjoyed this video. Please comment down below and please like, please subscribe for me. I'll see you guys in the next video.
From them naughty fun. Wash up my wrist,